Welcome back to Honest Straightforward Reviews. Guys, I'm super excited today to bring to you guys the Elite 85H headphones. These are wireless Bluetooth headphones by Jabra. Now, without further ado, this is an unboxing. I'll get this unboxing started and wait around about 2 weeks and you'll get the review of this product as well. Now, also let me know in the comments what you guys think about these headphones and what you guys will like to see this be paired up against. For example, like a Sony XM4s or the B&O and etc, etc. All right, so without further ado, let's look at the box. So it came with this little plastic thing. So this is just lazy packaging, I guess. I would rather not waste the plastic if you're going to package it like that. But these are the headphones. All right, looking at the box in the front, I like it. Don't mind it at all. Like the side. Love the back. Not too much information. What I need to know, things like that. Wow, look at that. 36 hours with noise cancellation on. Rain resistant. Okay, 2-year warranty. I love seeing all this stuff. Beautiful. Not too much information. No overkill. Okay. Some of the even higher end headphones just go overkill with it. All right, so they open from down here. So this is beautiful, guys. Love seeing this. Makes my life easier. Instead of me trying to pick it for half an hour in a video, they've done the courtesy of doing that. These sort of things show that the company cares how you would feel unboxing their product. This is my first Jabra product ever. So far I'm happy. Okay, it popped out pretty easy. No complaints there at all. All right, inside it, there's nothing else inside that box. Let's look at this box then. All right, let's get this out of the way. So this one's a nice bright yellow. Okay, beautiful, and a gray box inside that with a gray little tab, which pulls the box out. Beautiful. All right. So simple information, download the app, personalize it, activate it, and register it. How good is that? Okay, so that's the card you get with it. And on the back, it shows to you how to use it and things like that. Really simplistic, love it, can't complain. Put this aside for a second. Now, you get inside your basically warranty stuff. Let's see if you get anything else. No, so just the warranty paperwork for that. Okay, so yeah, download the Jabra sound app, which I'll be doing very soon. Oopsie, that didn't sound too good. Going in, put this back. Let's look at the headphones themselves. All right, so these are the headphones. The box it comes in has a old school leathery feel to it, where the leather didn't have to be perfect, which is really nice. Really am enjoying touching it. Okay, got a nice long strap. Okay, it's quite strong, has leather over it as well. Let's look at the zip. Okay, the zip is okay, not too bad. It's not, doesn't feel premium or anything like that. Okay, I'll do it like this, even though it's meant to be opened like that. And it's got a little thing as well to show you how to actually put it in. That's always handy. Very soft on this side. Okay, very nice to see that. Let's put the headphones aside for a second. All right, let's look at what we get inside the box. So we get some gel and stuff. Throw away. Okay. Alright, now we get a very thin looking, very basic, that's good to see, 3.5 to 3.5 headphone jack with no remote. Okay, very basic. Everyone's doing this nowadays, USB-C to USB-A. Okay, it's good. Means I don't have to mess about with too many cables. Right, let's look at the headphones themselves. These bad boys look really nice for what they're worth. They're not really expensive compared to some of the other headphones out there. Okay, they bend like this as well. Okay, go like this and bend like that as well. A bit like the Sony's XM4s. Okay, pull out like that. Okay, and got cloth here, got leather there. Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear that. That's just these headphones turning on for the first time. Alright, inside, they're on an angle. That's what I love seeing. Your ears aren't flat against your head, they're on an angle. So they reflect that. That's really nice to see. Okay, it's got leather here. Okay, leather padding. It's got a mic button. Maybe Siri and stuff like that. Maybe this is a transparency button. You don't have an on-off button. So this is maybe like an Apple product, like their AirPods Max, USB-C charging, and the cable. That's basically it, guys. Very nice looking. I'm impressed so far from the Jabra. This is my first Jabra. I'm impressed. Very nice. Okay, guys, thanks for sticking to the end. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching it. And if you guys like to see more content like this, please do remember to subscribe. It helps out a lot. Give the video a like and it'll help spread the word. I'm also on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. You can follow me there. And I'm also on Patreon. If you can help out there, it would be great. All right, guys, you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.